Hey, welcome back to Cool Gets Art, and let's draw another apple and onion character, and this time it's going to be the hamburger. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this hamburger, and to begin we're going to draw his eyes first, and it's going to be really simple. So it's going to be two little kind of squash eggs on his side. And the eyeball, we just kind of fill it in. And then for his nose, is actually kind of weird looking. Well, actually all the characters are pretty weird looking on this show. Okay, and then from there we can draw his eyebrows, so just right above his eye. Just two little arc, and I'm gonna make it a little bit thicker. And then from there, just draw a big smiley face. And then on the corners, just gonna draw two little curves like that. So now we're gonna draw his head, and which is his bun. So right here, we're just gonna draw one big line. So it's almost like double the distance of his face. And then from there, we're gonna draw this one overarching curve. So we can start out that side, and we're just gonna go right over his head. Just gonna go around, and then just try to make it as symmetrical as you can. And just connect it back, and that's gonna be his head. So again, very funny looking, right? Okay. And then from here, we're gonna draw his body. So we're gonna be one curve, and then we're gonna draw another line, and we're just gonna stop there because we need to draw his arms first. So right over here, I'm gonna draw one curve, kind of coming down, curve, and then coming down, and then we're gonna close it off. And now we can draw his fingers, his hand. So we're gonna go, that's gonna be his thumb. This is the palm. And then we're just gonna draw four fingers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then from there, we're gonna finish off the body. Now we can finish this, just kind of go right behind the arm, and then we can continue this line. Okay, and then from there, let's draw the bottom bun. So another curve, and then we're just gonna curve it back into the hands. Since that one is so easy, we just finish that first. And then from there, now we can draw, let's draw in the detail on his shirt. So right in the middle, or right underneath the mouth, I'm gonna draw a zipper. So it's just gonna be two curves, same curves as that. And then now there's some details on the zipper. And we're gonna draw his collar. Two little angles right there, and then it looks like there's a B in his shirt, so it's just gonna be a regular B, slightly slanted, and then on right here in the end, just curve it out. Looks like some kind of logo. And then now for the other arm, so we're just gonna curve it, close it off. Then now we're gonna draw the thumb right here. And then now for the other fingers, so we're gonna go 1. And then we'll just draw a couple more in here, 2 and 3. Since you can't see it all because it's gonna be hidden behind. Okay, so right now for the legs, right underneath here, the collar, we're gonna draw two curves. And then right here for his knee, and then one more. And then on the back here, which is gonna be one big one. Okay, and then now we're gonna close it. Now we gotta draw his shoes, and it looks like got some fancy sneakers. So draw a little square and a circle inside. Draw that, and then we're gonna come down. And now for the front of the shoe, and we're gonna close this off. And then for the sole, we're just gonna come down. And then now for the details, it's gonna be a little curve, and looks like there's some kind of design here. And then for the shoelace, we're gonna draw just a couple of lines like that, and then we'll just draw two more lines for the laces inside. Okay, so now for the other leg, so we're gonna go curve the knee, one more, and then on the back here, 1, too. So it's almost as symmetrical as that one. So now I'm gonna close it off. And then this one's gonna be at a slightly different angle, so we won't see as much of the front area. Same thing here. And then for this, we're gonna come down. And now for the front, all the way back. For the sole, all the way back. And then the detail is gonna be pretty much the same. Tip, the laces. And that's it for this hamburger character from Apple and Onion. Hope you guys like the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. And I will see you next time.